Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do this stitch. They're like 3D block stitch, something like that. It's reversible, it's very easy to do, it's one row repeat. Well, after we finish the first two rows, from the third row it's just one row repeat. It's very easy. And you can do it like this with one plain color, or you can do with variegated yarn, or you can change colors if you like. You can do 2-3 rows with one color, change, and so on. It's very easy. This stitch goes very fast, but it's gonna eat a lot of yarn. So if you're gonna do a project, bigger one anyway, you're gonna have to make sure that you have enough yarn. Yeah. Okay, this stitch works with multiples of 4 plus 5 more. So I chain my multiples of 4 here, and now I'm gonna chain 5 more. Okay, now we're gonna skip the first 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th chain we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a double crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna go back into the same chain where we did this double crochet, and we're gonna do 3 more double crochets. So 1, 2, and third one. Now yarn over the hook, we're gonna skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain we're gonna do the same, 1 double crochet, chain 3, and we're gonna go back into the same chain and we're gonna do 3 more double crochets. And you're gonna do like this until you finish the row. So yarn over the hook, skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain you're gonna do the same, 1 double crochet, chain 3, so yarn over the hook, and we're gonna go back into the same chain and we're gonna do 3 more double crochet. Okay, and you're gonna be left with 4 chains at the end, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one, the last chain, we're gonna do the same, yarn over the hook, and you're gonna go into the last chain and you're gonna do 1 double crochet, chain 3, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna go back into the last chain and we're gonna do 3 more double crochets. And the third one. And now each time you're gonna reach the end, you're gonna chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn your work. And now yarn over the hook, we're gonna skip the first 3 double crochets, the first ones, and from now on we're gonna work into this 3 chain space. So yarn over the hook, go in there, and you're gonna do 4 double crochets. So 1, go back into the same space, and you should put in there 4 double crochets. So we have 4 double crochets, chain 3, yarn over the hook. Now move to the next 3 chain space, so skip this 3 double crochet, and in this space we're gonna do 4 double crochets. Okay, chain 3, and you're gonna do like this until you reach the end. So yarn over the hook, skip the next 3 double crochet, and in the 3 chain space you're gonna do 4 double crochets. Okay, again chain 3, yarn over the hook, and again we're gonna skip the next 3 double crochets, and in this 3 chain space we're gonna do 4 double crochets. Okay, and now you're gonna chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And from now on, this is gonna be the row that you're gonna repeat on and on and on. So yarn over the hook, and now you're gonna work into the, you're gonna skip the first 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna skip, and into the 4th, we're gonna do 4 front post double crochet. So put the yarn over the hook and do in this 4th double crochet, you're gonna do 4 front post double crochet. So 1, yarn over the hook, go back again and do the 2nd front post double crochet, yarn over the hook, go back again and do the 3rd front post double crochet, and the last one. So you should have 4 front post double crochet. Chain 3, yarn over the hook, and again you move to the next cluster of 4 double crochets. You're going to skip the first 3. 1, 2, 3, you're going to skip, and in this one, the 4th one, you're going to place in there 4 front post double crochet. And this is the row that you're going to repeat on and on and on. So go back again into that 4th double crochet and do the 2nd, the 3rd, and the 4th front post double crochet. Then chain 3, yarn over the hook, and again you're going to move to the next cluster of 4 double crochets, skip the first 3, and in the last one, the 4th one, we're going to place in there 4 front post double crochet. And this is it. This is the work that we're gonna do until we finish whatever project we choose to do with the stitch. Chain 3, yarn over the hook, and again you're gonna skip the first 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th you're gonna place in there, into that 4th double crochet, 4 front post double crochet. So go back again and do the 2nd front post double crochet, and again the 3rd and the 4th. Then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know you're gonna feel, some of you like, oh my god, this chain is here, what are you gonna do with that? Just leave it there. So turn your work, and now again yarn over the hook, you're gonna skip the first 3 double crochet, and in the last one here, the 4th one, we're gonna place 4 front post double crochet. So this is it. So I'm gonna do this row with you, go back again and do the 2nd front post double crochet, go back for the 3rd front post, and go back again for the 4th one, and then you're gonna chain 3. After I do this row, I'm going to show you how to close, because you cannot leave it like this, it's weird, unless you like it. So again, we're going to move to the next cluster of 4 double crochets, skip the first 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one, you're going to place in there, you're going to go behind, this double crochet 4 times to put 4 front posts. So go back again into that 4th one, do the 2nd front post double crochet, the 3rd one, the 4th, and then you're going to chain 3. Okay, and now you're going to move to the next cluster, and again you're going to skip the first 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th you're going to place in there 4 front posts double crochet. And the 4th one. It's very easy and goes fast. Chain 3, yarn over the hook, and again the last cluster of the row, you're going to skip the first 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one you're going to go in there and you're going to place 4 front posts double crochet. Oh boy, what am I doing in there? So we're gonna do 4 front post double crochet in the last double crochet of this cluster. And now let's say you finish your work and you want to close, you don't want these openings here, so you're gonna chain 5 like always. Okay, turn your work, and now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna skip the first 3 double crochet, and in the 4th one we're gonna do 4 front post double crochet. So go for the 2nd, the 3rd, and the 4th. But this time, until you finish the row, when you want to close the work, you're not going to chain 3. So we're not chaining 3. So yarn over the hook, move to the next cluster, skip the first 3 double crochet, and in the 4th place 4 front post double crochet. The only difference is that we don't chain 3 in between the clusters. The 3rd and the 4th. And again, yarn over the hook, move to the next cluster, skip the first 3, in the 4th double crochet, do 3 front post double crochet. Did I say 3? Do 4. Okay, and again, yarn over the hook, you reach the last cluster, you're gonna skip the first 3 double crochet, and in the last one, the 4th, you're gonna do front post, 4 of them, front post double crochet. And the 4th one, and you know, you either leave it like this, the way it is, like now, or yarn over the hook, you're gonna go into the 2nd chain, so you have 5 in here, go into the 2nd chain from the bottom here and do a double crochet, just to close it a little bit, if you feel a little bit comfortable with that, you know. But you have to have, you know, or if you don't do a double crochet, you can do a triple one. Let's see with a triple, because it's like this, it's not even. So let's say we're gonna do triple crochet into the 2nd chain from the hook, 2nd chain of the chain there, and you leave it like this. It's a little bit better because it's like you have this triple crochet here and this triple here, and kind of balances, if you like. And chain 1, cut the yarn, and then that's it with the project. So this is the stitch. It's closing, you know, so it's really nice unless you stretch it. Yeah, I close these ones here too on the top. So, well, this is the stitch. It's a very easy stitch, very fast, but I think it well, depends now. I think it looks much better with the thinner yarn than the thicker one. This is thinner than this one, but if you like, you can do it with thicker yarn. It's really nice, but be ready with a lot of yarn, because this one is gonna eat a lot. So if you want to do a blanket, or you have, like I said in many tutorials, if you have yarn scraps and you want to get rid of the yarn, just do this stitch, and it's you're gonna be ready to buy more yarn. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.